Guys, I'm back. How is everyone? Keep on winning, guys. I'm sorry sometimes I am delayed on my videos. Guys, all of these videos before I show it to you, all the lottery strategies and formula, I actually tested it using my own expense in figuring out. Sleepless night, guys, just to show you what method works without a fail. I mean, all are guaranteed to win. Just kindly listen and focus carefully to the instructions. Maybe sometimes you can't fully understand it and my voice blur. But anyway, today I got a surprise for you, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I've been trying and testing this strategy. This technique can win any lottery game in your country or desired country. Fully tested by me. Let's proceed, guys. Okay. Choose any 5 numbers. Sometimes there are subscribers and viewers message me where to get that number. I am just choosing any random 5 numbers here. Okay. Example below, my chosen number below is 45891. Okay, guys, this is only number chosen by random, any number here. It doesn't matter what number you choose from 0 to 9. Okay, this 5 number I chose, I generated 10 combination, and this combination will be used on my wagering and betting. Yes, guys, this is 10. Okay, you can just replace your number on my 10 on the 10 combination. Just label this A, B, C, D, E. Okay, now how to wager this? This is the method. This is what I've been figuring out. On day 1, let's say you bet on 10 combination, cost is $10. Of course, because we have 10 combination and will cost $10. Now, example on day 1, it has lose. Because we only have 10 combination, and that's is so small. On day 2, we'll add 1 number, so plus number, let's say 7. Okay, now my generated combination will now become 20 combination for my wagering and betting. This is now 20 combination for my bet. Just replace your chosen number and label it from A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, again, let's say it result a lose. Another losses, guys. This is the worst, let's say the worst day you encounter on the lottery. Now on day 3, if it results on lose, and but since it has lesser probability to lose because it occupy 6 numbers now against 10. In case it's still loose, we will double our bet. We will not additional one number. Okay guys, on day 3, just double the 20 combination because it will win. Guaranteed, no matter what. Out of 2 more draws, it will win. You will capture the winning combination. I have tested it because you have already 6 numbers against 10 only. So there are 4 remaining numbers that you did not occupy now. So the chances are winning are 70 to 90%. Our main objective on this technique is less bet to capture the winning combination as soon as possible. To eliminate more losses and of course capital. Now, if anyone here is asking about the proof, if you really win or if I win, you can backtest this on your local lottery results. If what I say is true, because let's be honest guys, to see is to believe. Now, backtest this my technique and you will see. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.